Sabi nga ng mga inspirational post sa social media, you cannot heal the same environment that hurt you. You cannot heal the company of those who merely stood and watched while you were harmed. Ang tingin ba ng administrasyon na ito ay hindi kayang alagaan ng kanyang pamilya si former President Duterte? More to the point, what was the interview for? Paano kaya nila pakikinabangan at gagamitin ang findings nila tungkol sa welfare niya? Para saan? Sa pilitan nyo na ngang ipinadampot sa mga dayuhan, pupuntahan nyo pa sa kulungan nang wala man lang abiso sa pamilya. Isn't that adding insult to injury? Can't you, just for a while, cut the old man some slack? Mamahinga naman kayo mula sa pagdaragdag ng sama ng loob kay Tatay Digong. With all due respect to our Philippine Embassy in The Hague, I, along with so many of our fellow Filipinos, ask for answers.